Hey everyone! I'm Rosie from K15T, and this is your weekly dose of Confluence. So let's dive right in and talk about how you can now go full throttle with the Confluence Mobile update. The Confluence team has rolled out a major update for their iOS and Android apps, making the management of page permissions easier than ever. Previously, mobile permissions were pretty black and white. A page was either completely public or completely private. But now, you've got the full spectrum of options, just like on the web version. Adjusting page permissions on the app is easy, and with a few taps, you can select individual users or groups and grant them either read or edit access. This is perfect if you're always on the go. To make sure the update is installed, simply check that you have the latest version of the app, whether for Android or for iOS. And now that we've covered the newest game changer for Confluence, let's talk about a pro tip known as keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts will help you do what you do best, only faster. You can use Command or Control-K to insert a new link, which allows you to search for the page that you want to link. Highlight some text you want to turn into a heading and hit Command-Option or Control-Alt plus a number 1 through 6, and it will immediately change to that level. Or, if you want that highlighted text to be a paragraph, you can use Command-Option-0 or Control-Alt-0. While you've got that text highlighted, you could bold it with Command-B or Control-B. Or you could italicize it with Command-I or Control-I. Add a table to your page with Shift-Option-T or Shift-Alt-T. Or maybe a cheeky little emoji with the colon key. Hit the slash key in order to create the ultimate power of the Confluence editor by adding an element or a macro. Check out these shortcuts and more using the Command +/ or the Control +/. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter through the link in the description, and like and subscribe for more Confluence news and updates. Thanks for watching!